There's a really delicious old-fashioned celebratory cocktail called the French 75. It was invented in 1916. So I've actually done a bit of a twist on this cocktail, and I'm going to show it to you now so you can replicate it at home. It's a shaken cocktail, so we're going to need a cocktail shaker, and we're going to need a citrus press to be able to squeeze the lime juice out of it. Now the French 75 had gin, lemon juice, sugar syrup, and then it was topped up with champagne. With this cocktail, we're going to go for lime juice, we're going to go for an Earl Grey tea sugar syrup, we're going to go for the gin of course, and then top it up with some martini prosecco to give it a lovely length and spritz to the cocktail. Hence the name, a Sapphire Spritz. I'm going to roll the lime in between my hands just to start getting the juices flowing with it, get more juice out of it. When I squeeze it in that citrus press, lime in, facing down, and then squeeze this in to the cocktail shaker like this. You should get about 15 mils of juice from half a lime. Next up, I need my Earl Grey tea sugar syrup. So basically I take 2 tea bags into 250 mils of boiling water, 500 grams of caster sugar, stir it around in the pan, heat it through for about 4 or 5 minutes, strain off those tea bags, and then chill it down, and that will keep good for about 6 to 8 weeks in the fridge. And now we just need about 15 mils of this syrup. So in that goes into the measuring jug, and over the lime juice, we're going to add 50 mils of Bombay Sapphire gin, and the tea and the lime and the Bombay Sapphire gin just work exceptionally well together. Now to give a bit of a twist on this cocktail, I'm going to add some watercress. This comes from our river test here, just through Laverset milk, and it gives a really wonderful peppery flavour to the gin cocktail. So I'm going to add loads of ice in this and give it a really good hard shake to break it all down and release some of those wonderful spicy flavours. And you'll see from this, it's almost gone green. Take this apart, and then we'll grab our hawthorn strainer, which will hold the ice back, and a tea strainer to hold those shards of ice. And we pour it through that into the glass. Beautiful, wonderful, bright green colour. Now it's not quite filled up the glass, thankfully, because I want to top it up with a little bit of Prosecco. All you want to hear is a little nice. Splash it on the top there. We give it a little stroke through that, just combines those flavours together. And then we're going to finish it off with a lime peel twist. So I take my potato peeler and draw that all the way around the lime, as such. And then we can trim this up just to make it look a little bit prettier. And we spritz those oils out over the top of the drink, twist it around and lay it over the top there. And that is a Sapphire Spritz. Just, words don't really describe it. You've got the sweetness from the Earl Grey coming through, the sourness from the lime, the botanicals in the gin, and then that effervescence, that texturial effect on the mouth really plays around with the mouthfeel. It's just such a wonderful kind of celebratory drink, and I really hope you try it at home. Cheers.